Today, we're exploring the stunning Mayfield Garden in Auburn, one of New South Wales' most beautiful spots. First thing we saw, the massive pumpkin. Parking is free and entry is $38 for adults. But little Callista gets in for free. Had to start with a quick selfie. Always a tradition. Right away, these trees just wowed us. So vibrant, like stepping into a painting. Then, we reached this peaceful water spot, perfect for photos. We explored the magical grotto. Further up was the amphitheater and a gorgeous fountain. And finally, the maze. A must-do. Kali loved it, and so did we. Before heading home, we stopped at Auburn Park for lunch and playtime. A perfect day of nature, laughter, and memories. See you in the next one.